Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, I think we got another good one for you. We're gonna do chicken wings, and we're gonna cut the chicken wings up into bits, just like you would buy at the store. This is gonna be cooked on the pit barrel cooker. So hang around. You're probably gonna wanna see this one. It turns out delicious. So hang tight. Okay, so we got a little pit barrel here up to temperature. Get these out of the way. Now what we've got here is some chicken wing parts. They're already cut up into the little drumettes and the flats. So we're gonna take them and put a little coat of this rub on. Now you use whatever rub you like. This is one we've kind of gotten stuck on here lately. We've used it a lot. I like it with chicken, and I believe that's what it was made specifically to do. It's good, I can tell you that. But I'm gonna keep on going. Let me get these dusted up. Get them all on the little pit barrel here, and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, time to turn them. And they're looking pretty too. Turn these over. Again, we're going for 165 on chicken, which you don't want to eat chicken that's cooked less than that. This pit barrel cooker, it doesn't matter what you put on it. It's too easy. This is as close to set it and forget it as you can get. Okay, we got those turned over. We're gonna close them back up and keep on cooking. We'll bring you back. Okay, well, let's see where we are here. Let's check the temp on these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right over here. Okay, well, look like we're good. So let's take, now this is what in South Carolina we call a Midland Gold. This is a mustard base barbecue sauce. Hey, if you're chicken, you use what you want to use. This is my chicken. I'm gonna use this Midland Gold on this time, just to see what we end up with. So you see I got it in this little squeeze bottle, and that makes it easy to put it on these little pieces of chicken. And I can take this, squirt it on there, and then I can take this brush and glaze it on. It's so easy to do it this way. If you've never tried it, I suggest you do. You can get those little squeeze bottles at any food supply store. And let's see. And it's about this quick and easy. And you see how fast that was? All right, Let's close it back up. We're gonna let that glaze set and we'll bring you back. Okay, let's check them. Oh yeah, this has started to set. I'll tell you what, let's take and turn these over. And again, this is gonna take a minute. And I probably won't make you watch me turn every one of these over. Okay, again, let's sauce them down here. All right, take the brush to them. Alrighty, just got them brushed down. Put the lid back on, and we'll let that set again. Okay, well, oh yeah, these are looking pretty. These are ready to come off. Golden brown. Look how pretty those are. Oh, this is gonna be some good eating here. Now, we let these go just about to the 165 degree temp. And then we glazed them and rolled them over, glazed them again, let the glaze set on both sides, and these are done. These are pretty. Smoked on the pit barrel cooker. You know, this little cooker is hard to beat. Certainly easy to use. There you go. All right, let's take them inside. Okay, we've let these cool off just a little bit. Let's try it. Smoke with that barbecue. That's good stuff. Rub work with that barbecue sauce too. It's good. Well, that's chicken wings on the pit barrel cooker. Appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit this button over here and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.